hopefully this video and my words serve as the spark that you've been searching for. All right, so now we talked about trying new things in the video before. If you haven't, go check it out. And the why behind why you haven't tried something new. Now it's time to get that action. It's time to take action. And I'm going to share with you exactly how you're going to start trying new things today without overthinking it. We're going to leave overthinking behind. We're going to try new things today because trying new things matter, but we need to make it simple. Small, deliberate actions create like this type of experimentation. I know I've been talking about the Life Design Lab. You need to see what changing the different variables slowly, what it's going to bring about, and create a habit of experimentation. Think about yourself like a science experiment. For this experiment, you do not need anyone's permission. You are the author. You can sign. You don't need a co-signer. You also don't need motivation. It's already within you. The reason is I know you don't need a motivation is because what you want wants you because it keeps coming up. So you're not looking for it. It's not looking for you. You've already found another. You're just ready and waiting for that spark. So hopefully this video and my words serve as the spark that you've been searching for. But in order for that spark to make any sense, I'm going to hand you over a system that's going to force you to take action, that's going to force movement. This is your moment. All right, hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Spivey J. I hope you're having a beautiful day. If you're new here on my channel, we talk about transformation, mindset mastery, and getting more fulfillment out of this life. So if that resonates with you, please feel free to subscribe. No, girl, actually, please subscribe. Do it right now. It's just a click of the button. It doesn't cost you anything but just an ounce of a second of focus from your brain. I would truly appreciate it. And if you've already subscribed, thank you so much for coming back to another video. And on my channel, we're going to build a rich life on purpose. I'm talking about mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially. But we need to take some action towards that. So let's focus. So this is the 3-step action system that you're going to utilize so that you can stop overthinking and take action and try new things. So in the previous video, I was talking about going from unnatural energy drinks to making my own, which is something new for me, and also recording the videos in the morning time. I'm normally recording when the sun already said peace out to us over here in the States and hello to Australia. So it's time to make a change. In the 3-step action system for you to try something new, the first thing is you need to pick one thing. Now, this thing could be small and it should be small, but it should be impactful. It just doesn't have to be dramatic. It does not have to be dramatic. It needs to be impactful, though. So you can make homemade Gatorade like I did. You can try a new morning routine. Try a new route to work. Change your brain up. Try a new exercise. You've been in the gym. Have you? I don't know. Whatever. Try a new food. Try something new. Pick something. Because with those small experiments that you do on a day-to-day basis, they are like the credibility, the proof that you are capable of making changes. So if you can do it with small things and then you slowly build up to the bigger things. That's what it's all about, stacking the habits. When you stack those habits on the small things, I want you to be a little bit mindful about what you choose, because I don't want it to be something that you don't care about. It needs to be something that you care about. It needs to be something that you cannot stop thinking about. So let's be mindful of that. So pick something, start small, but it needs to lead to something bigger by being important enough, impactful enough for you and outwardly, so that it makes a difference. Okay, but I'm getting ahead of myself. So the second step in this 3-part action system is for you to set a timer or a deadline. I don't hear any more excuses. I don't want to hear that you need all the information to gather on this change, this small thing that you pick. Because when you avoid giving yourself a start and finish window, you're leaving all the opportunities. That's where the confusion comes in. That's where the stagnation comes in. That's where the hesitation comes in, because you are giving yourself all of the time, endless time, infinite time. I need you to open the window, close the window. Give yourself the start time, give yourself a timer, give yourself a deadline. When you pick that one small thing that's going to be impactful and you set a deadline, a timer, you're going to go from I'll try this one day or I'll try this on Monday to I'll commit to this for 5 minutes. I'll commit to this for 7 days. I will. I am. Those words are important because commitment creates momentum. Obviously, if you take the action, but commitment creates momentum. And in this part of the whole thing, perfection is irrelevant. For example, I am recording on an iPhone. We're on iPhone with 17 Pro Max. Da, 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 da. We started at iPhone 3. I'm sure there was two versions, obviously, before the first one came out in 2007. You know that there are going to always be upgrades. Perfection is irrelevant. These trillion-dollar companies have shown you. You have all the proof, you have all the data that perfection is irrelevant. You just need to commit to creating the momentum through your commitment and action. That's it. So create that start window and that closing window. That's how you're going to get it done. I have somewhere to go, but I had to get this done. I had to get these videos done. I have to drink this. I had to get my workout in. I had to cook breakfast before we leave. I had to make sure, look, get it done. No excuses. Stop overthinking. I had to put down one of my favorite vloggers, Cozy Vlog. I think I watched 5 minutes of it and then I snapped right out of it because I have a window and time waits for no one. We have plenty of it and we have none of it. It's all a blessing. So how much advantage are you going to take of it? This electrolyte drink, homemade Gatorade, whatever everyone likes to call it, it's not bad at all. And if it's going to give me benefits and energy and clean my kidneys and electrolytes, natural electrolytes, baby, give me more. Give me all of them. Give me the good things. I want the good things in life, and I know you do too. All right, let's keep moving because I got a deadline. All right, so now you've created the deadline. Now you need to take the action. Take the action, quick reflection. Take the action, quick reflection. This is the data observation part. You're changing you change the variable. Now you're observing what taking the action does, what the outcome is. You have to reflect so that you can improve. Without reflection, what's the point? Without follow up, what's the point? Did it feel uncomfortable? Probably it should. If it didn't, then make it a little bit more spicier. Did you learn something? Did you grow? Most importantly, did you learn something and did it make you grow? Did it change your perspective on something? I love reading. I love writing. Now I'm getting into weekly essay writing. I feel so unstoppable. This is something new that when I did it previously, it was because it was required for a grade, it was required for a degree. I did it all. I got the A's. Boom, bam, bam. Now I'm doing it for me. Ooh, it was required for the grades, it was required for the degree. Now I'm writing essays just for me. But anyways, you're going to use this data to inform your next small experiment. So for example, the newsletter writing that I started last spring informed my videos that I started creating. And those videos informed me now going, reading more books because I need more information and writing more essays and diving deep into knowledge because I'm not just going to sit up here and be a loser trying to pretend like I'm a leader. No, I want to be a leader, a well-spoken leader, a well-read leader, a well-traveled leader, polyglot, so many things that you don't even know about. Okay, she just on her bars this morning. But no, but in all seriousness, every small experiment teaches you how to take bigger ones. This isn't get rich quick, get fit quick. This is a lifestyle. Okay, what you're doing is going to be the style of your life. These experiments, this growth, this identity upgrade, this reflection, everything that we're doing to build our rich life on purpose, this life design lab that we're going to experiment, everything is a big experimentation. It's a whole bunch of small experiments combined to be the big experiment. That's your life. For one, let me tell you, well, none of us even know why we're here. So might as well make it good. Might as well go on some adventures. Might as well put your phone down and explore. You might as well learn some things. Why not? We're here. Don't be a bore. Don't be a bore. Don't be a bore whore. What was that from? Bring It On. Every small experiment teaches you to take bigger ones, to take bigger experiments. And that's what this is all about. Trying new things is about building a muscle that you didn't even know you had in you. You didn't even know you were a star player. You didn't even know you can go from being addicted to having 300, 400 milligrams of caffeine a day to drinking Himalayan sea salt lemon warm water for your energy, for taking all of the supplements that your doctor, your blood work says you need, not your favorite influencer. No shade, no tea. I just want everybody to realize that you have to go off of you. This is about building the muscle you didn't know you had. So I want you to start today and see how it changes you, see how it makes you feel. I want you to compile that. And if you're interested in doing a 7-day challenge, I have created the Start Before You're Ready challenge. It's free. Link is in the description. It's a guided workbook for you to commit to one thing that you want to change in the next week in one area of your life. So this is the perfect system that you need, that you deserve, so you can transform whatever that area is. So if you're interested, link is in the description. Nonetheless, my name is Spivey J. If you haven't already subscribed, I would truly appreciate it if you do. Thank you so much to everyone that has so far. And don't be scared, girl. You got this. Don't be scared to try new things. You got this. I believe in you. My name is Spivey J. Hope you have a wonderful day. Peace.